I did not expect these knives to impress me because I'm going to be really honest, I'm not really even a meat person. I don't break down whole cuts. I buy boneless everything, minimal effort, minimal drama. So when Cutluxe sent me their butcher knife set with scimitar, breaking knife, and boning knife for free, I figured, cool, I'll try them out, but will I actually use them? Then I opened the box. Quick heads up, I linked the knife set below if you want to check specs or reviews, and I test kitchen gear like this all the time, so subscribe if you like real home reviews, not chef fantasy land. These are full tang German steel, and the edges are insanely sharp. The Cimeter has that curved blade for sectioning big cuts, and the boning knife is thinner and super precise. I had this massive pork loin I bought for pulled pork in the Instant Pot. Normally, that's a little bit of a wrestling match. The Cimeter sliced through like it was soft fruit. I could section it, trim it, even score it without sawing back and forth. I even tried a few super thin slices just to see if it was sharp enough. It was. I also used the boning knife on cooked chicken, overcooked chicken if I'm honest, and it just glided. No tearing, no shredding the meat. I've owned a lot of knives from inexpensive to very high-end. Nothing has ever been this sharp out of the box. And then I tried a paper test, because why not when I've got a massive, insanely sharp knife? And it was amazing. No resistance, like a hot knife through butter. So yeah, the person who doesn't even like prepping meat now has a favorite meat knife set. I might have to start buying bony cuts just so I can show off these knife skills. Links are in the description if you want the Cutluxe set, and hit subscribe. I test products the way normal people actually use them.